Hey, bio team. So if a biologist wants to check the health of the chromosomes of an individual, they can make a karyotype, which is just a display of all of the chromosomes found in one of that person's cells. Now this karyotype is taken from a healthy individual because it has 23 pairs of homologous chromosomes. And when we say homologous chromosomes, what we mean are just two chromosomes, one from mom and one from dad, that code for the same types of proteins. Now, if you wanted to make a karyotype for yourself, you could tell that these chromosomes are homologous with each other because they're approximately the same size and they have approximately the same banding and coloration. Then to make the karyotype, you would sort the homologous pairs from the longest chromosome to the shortest. And last, if you want to tell whether an individual is male or female based on their karyotype, you'd come look down here in the lower right-hand corner where we've positioned the sex chromosomes. If the individual receives one of these stubby little Y chromosomes from their father, they will develop as male. However, if they only receive X chromosomes, they will develop as female. Now, it's possible for a karyotype to show mutations on the chromosomes. For instance, in this karyotype, you can see that this chromosome has suffered deletion. That is, some DNA was removed from one of its chromosomes. Or we can come over here, you can see that this chromosome has suffered an insertion. Extra DNA got added into a chromosome. Or if we come down here, we can see that a translocation occurred. That is, DNA literally crossed places between chromosomes. And last, if we come down here, we can see that this child has an extra copy of one of their chromosomes. Instead of 2 copies of the chromosome, it has 3. And that happened through a process of non-disjunction or non-separation. That is, normally when it comes time for a parent to donate its chromosomes to its kids, it has 2 copies of every chromosome, but it splits those up and it only donates 1 copy to its child because its partner will donate the other copy. So its chromosomes normally pull apart during meiosis. However, during a non-disjunction or non-separation, the chromosomes don't split up. And as a result, an extra copy of a chromosome can end up in an egg cell or a sperm cell and get donated to a child. And that's it. At this point, you guys have a couple of practice problems. We'll see you next class.